Hey everyone, I'm going on a trip in a couple of days and I want to show you all how I pack and some tips I have for that. The first thing is to make sure you have a good suitcase. I want to thank LOJEL for collaborating with me on today's video. Their suitcases have special locks where you can set your own code, which is so nice. This one also has 3 different compartments that zip shut and strap down to secure everything in. This is nice because I'm going to be bringing a lot of clothes and I'm going to show you how I make everything fit into this carry-on size luggage because who likes to pay extra for a checked bag? Not me. The first tip is to roll your clothes. Folding clothes is a thing of the past because nothing ever fits when they are folded and you're going to get some wrinkles when you do that. So rolling them ensures more space for you to jam more outfits that you probably don't need, but hey, you're prepared, right? Another thing I love about this LOJEL suitcase is the rollers on the bottom and its hard case to protect all of my things inside. If you like my suitcase, I will be linking it down below as well as LOJEL's website. So here I'm just loading my suitcase however I see that everything best fits. I left the space at the bottom for things like socks and underwear that are tiny and easy to fit pretty much anywhere. Tip number 2 is shoe covers. If you're going to be getting your shoes dirty on your trip, you don't want your clean clothes to get dirty inside your suitcase. So whenever I buy a new pair of shoes, I always keep the cover that comes with them for when I travel. Tip number 3 is to bring travel-sized everything to maximize the space you have in your suitcase. Here I'm just highlighting some of my favorite travel-size items like these little makeup sample containers. I always keep these and clean them out so I can put my foundation for my whole trip in them because it saves so much space. I also keep 3 different bags in my luggage, one for makeup, makeup brushes, and body things. Another one of my favorites is this Dry Bar dry shampoo. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff is the bomb. And then of course, I have my all natural deodorant with me. And my most favorite thing of all, I'm linking this down below. This is a perfume container that you can put any kind of perfume in and it is so convenient. My 4th tip is to invest in some nicer quality reusable shampoo containers. These are a durable material that I know isn't going to leak and will be really easy to wash. And of course, I'm reducing the amount of single-use plastic I use, so I have my bamboo toothbrush with me. Moving on, I have the Erbo 2 travel pack from LOJEL for my extra bag. I will be linking this down below as well. This bag is so durable. I love all of the straps and pockets it has. It makes traveling so much easier. And my tip number 5 is to always remember to bring your electronics so you're not bored on the plane with nothing to do. Here I have my portable charger, which is super handy as well. Of course, I also have to bring my vlog camera and my favorite pair of sunglasses with me as well. These are from Boohoo. And probably the most important tip of them all is tip number 6. I am obsessed with these made good snacks. They are so yummy and so healthy and you won't feel bad eating them when you're looking for a snack because you're bored on the plane. I want to thank you all so much for watching. A huge thank you to LOJEL for collaborating with me on today's video. Make sure to check out all the links down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you all in my next video.